Hi friends, today we are going to look at calculating squares. So squares is always a tricky thing. It's one of the most important things to know in mathematics. If you know the squares, your lot of calculations will become a lot more easier. So today we are going to look at a trick for calculating squares in seconds. With this trick, I'm sure you will be able to solve any squares or find an answer to any of the squares within a couple of seconds. Let's look at this first example that we have got. So we are going to look at the square of 12. How do we get a square of 12? I mean, most of us just remember the answer instantly, that's 144. But I will show you a very easy trick of how to find a square of 12 in case if you don't remember it. So what we will do is we'll take the number 12, we'll split it into two parts. So we have first part and the second part. Let's call the first part as x and second part as y. So our number 1 is x and number 2 is y. We have got 3 steps to follow. So we'll follow the step 1. Take the square of y, that is 2. So we have to take a square of the second digit. So we are taking the square of y, that is 2. So the square of 2 is 4. Step 2, we use a formula. So you have to remember this formula. It's 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. That is, in this example, it's 2 into 1 into 2. 2 into 1 into 2 is 4. Step 3. Take the square of x. So x is the first digit from the left hand side. That is number 1. So the square of 1 is 1. So our answer for square of 12 is 144. You see, it's so easy. You can just follow these steps every time and you will keep getting the success of doing the square again and again. Okay, so let's increase the number a bit. So what we will do is we'll look at the second example, that is to find the square of 48. So we'll follow the same concept. So we'll first split 4 and 8 into two parts. So we have x equals to 4, y equals to 8. We'll follow the step 1. Take the square of y, that is 8. So the square of 8 is 64. Step 2, use the formula. So 2 into 4 into 8, that's 64 again. Step 3, take the square of x, that is number 4. So the square of 4 is 16. Now, obviously you see a lot of 2 digits numbers here. So we will be actually having a lot of carry forwards here. So we'll take the first digit from the step 1 answer. So we'll take 4 as our last number. We'll add 6 with 64. That gives us 70. So we'll take 0 and carry forward 7. Now we have 7 plus 16. 7 plus 16 is 23 and we take 23 as it is. So the square of 48 is 2304. That's 2304. I hope you're enjoying this and it's really a handy trick which you can use it in your schools, colleges or even for the competitive examinations. Now I'll give you 30 seconds to answer this question and your time starts now. Now the 30 seconds are over. So I hope a lot of you have already got the answer. Let's look at how we can get the answer for square of 283. So in this, if it's a 3-digit number, you have to split it in such a way that your last digit goes as a value of y and the rest of the digits goes as a value of x. So we have x as 28 and y as 3 here in this specific scenario. Again, back to our formula. So we'll take step 1, take the square of y, that is number 3. The square of 3 is 9. Step 2, use formula 2 into 28 by 3, that's 168. Step 3, take the square of x, that is number 28. So the square of 28 is 784. Now 784 can be tricky, so you can always use the same concept to get the square of 28 and then you can bring the answer here. Now the last part, so we will take the 9 as it is. Then from 168 we will take 8 from 168 and carry forward 16. 16 plus 784 is equals to 800. So our answer here is 80089. That's the square of 283. I hope you like the trick that we have shared today. Congratulations to all of you who has got the answer right. You can pat your back for getting it correct. So friends, it's important that you practice these tricks. Try it by yourself. If you have any queries, please don't forget to write it in the comment and our team will try to answer it as quickly as possible. We'll catch up again in our next video. Oh yes, don't forget to like, comment and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.